Hello everyone, today we will compare Superlist and Todoist, two popular task management tools. So Superlist is a modern productivity app that aims to streamline team collaboration and personal task management with a sleek design and powerful features. While Todoist is a well-established task management known for its simplicity and robust features, and it helps users stay organized and productive with an easy-to-use tools for setting priorities, deadlines, and project management. So in this comparison, we'll dive deep into their features, pricing, customer support, pros and cons, and at the end of the video, I help you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till then because I have created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And if you want to sign up for Superlist and Todoist, you can use my affiliate links in the description below where I will earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And you might also get rewards and discounts upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So now let's go directly to the features comparison. So when it comes to task creation and management, Superlist is a streamlined interface for easy task addition and organization, while Todoist can create, track, complete tasks with a set deadlines, priorities, and reminders. When it comes to note-taking and subtasks, Superlist allow detailed notes and subtasks for complex tasks, while Todoist organize tasks into projects and subtasks for better management. When it comes to text formatting, Superlist has full text formatting within a list for enhanced readability, while Todoist is a simple, clean design with user-friendly task formatting. When it comes to real-time collaboration, Superlist facilitates team collaboration on tasks and projects, while Todoist offers shared projects and commenting for collaborative work. When it comes to app integration, Superlist integrates with Microsoft To Do, Google Calendar, Gmail, Slack, Linear, etc., while Todoist has a wide range of integration with third-party apps and service. When it comes to cross platforms, or Superlist available on iOS, Android Web, and Mac OS, while same thing with Todoist available on multiple platforms including mobile, web, and desktop. When it comes to unique selling point, Superlist is developed by creators of Wonderlist, focused on productivity and simplicity, while Todoist is known for its straightforward approach to task management and ease of use. And yes, that's it. So now let's go to pricing comparison. We're done with the features comparison. So in the pricing comparison, when it comes to free trial, Superlist offers 30-day free trial on their plans, while Todoist offers up to 3 months of free trial. When it comes to Pro Plan, so Superlist offers it for $8 per month, while Todoist the price around $4 per month when billed annually. So when it comes to business plan, so Superlist has Pro Team business plan and they offer it for $10 per month, while Todoist generally costs about $6 per user per month when billed annually. And yes, that's it for the pricing comparison. So now let's go directly to the customer and support. So when it comes to support channels, so both Superlist and Todoist has email, fax, and community forum, and priority support for premium users for Todoist. When it comes to response time, so Superlist not specified, but as a newer app, may have more direct engagement with users, while Todoist generally known for quick response times, especially for premium users. And when it comes to self-help resources, Superlist offers a knowledge base with article and guides, while Todoist has extensive knowledge base, video tutorials, and well-maintained blogs. And when it comes to another feature, which is community engagement, Superlist has active community forum for users' discussion and feedback, while Todoist has strong community support with active forums and user groups. When it comes to training and onboarding, Superlist provides basic guides for new users, while Todoist offers detailed guides, webinars, and tips for new users, especially for business plans users. And yes, that's it. We're done with the customer support, pricing, and features comparison. So now let's go directly to the pros and cons comparison. So when it comes to Superlist pros and cons, when it comes to pros, Superlist provides a streamlined interface for creating and managing tasks, making it versatile for personal and professional use. They allow users to add detailed notes and create subtasks, useful for breaking down complex tasks. They offer full text formatting within lists, enhancing the readability and organization. They facilitate real-time collaboration, vital for coordinating team efforts. And lastly, they are available on iOS, Android Web, Mac OS, ensuring accessibility from any device. So when it comes to cons, Superlist, as it's still in beta, some features may be under development or subject to change. And lastly, there are limited history. Being newer, it has less proven track record compared to established app like Todoist. So now we're done with the pros and cons of Superlist. Now let's go to the Todoist pros and cons. When it comes to pros, they are renowned for its clean design and ease of use, simplifying task management. They allow users to set deadlines, priorities, and reminders for each task. They enable grouping of tasks into different projects for better organization. The features like recurring tasks and reminders helps users stay on top of their responsibilities. And lastly, they has a strong community with active forums and users group. And yes, that's it for the pros. And when it comes to cons, Todoist, some users are looking for more innovative change and features. And while it offers collaborative features, some users desire more in-depth tools for teamwork. And yes, that's it for the pros and cons. So now let's go directly to which platform is the best for you. And let's start that by discussing who should choose Superlist. So Superlist is preferable for someone or individuals or teams looking for a modern, intuitive task management tool that bridges personal and professional productivity. Perfect for users who appreciate full text formatting and detailed note taking within their task management app. Perfect for teams requiring a real time collaboration and seamless integration with Microsoft To Do, Google Calendar, and other productivity tools. And lastly, for those who prefer a streamlined interface with a focus on productivity and simplicity. So if you have all of these qualities, Superlist is the best platform for you. So now let's go directly to the people who should choose Todoist. So Todoist is preferable for users who want a proven, reliable task management tool with a clean designs and user-friendly interface. Perfect for individuals or teams that need advanced task prioritization, including setting deadlines, reminders, and recurring tasks. Perfect for users looking for an app with a strong community support network and extensive self-help resources. And lastly, for those who value a wide range of third-party integration and cross-platform availability. So if you have all of these qualities, Todoist is the platform for you. So yes, that's it. So in conclusion, both Superlist and Todoist offer unique features that cater to two different needs. Superlist, with its modern approach, it is ideal for those who crave a fresh, collaborative task management experience. And on the other hand, Todoist established platform is perfect for users seeking a straightforward and dependable productivity tool. So now that you've seen that what each app has to offer, it's time to take action. Try out both Superlist and Todoist for yourself. See which one aligns with your workflow, meet your needs, and help you stay organized. Remember, the best productivity tool is the one that works for you. So with that being said, that's it for the comparison, and I hope this one helps you choose the correct option. Also, that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.